So this is the Elmex PV Solar Toolkit. I'm just going to talk you through the kit now. So this is the kit that you can get from all electrical wholesalers. So let me just talk you through what's in here. We've got 3 tools, main tools, which is your cable cutter, cable stripper, and then your solar crimps. Very important that you use solar crimps, the right tools, with any solar connection that you use. With the solar crimp, you get an Allen key for changing the head. This head is for the inline fuse connectors, and then it comes with a very handy holder which fits onto here, and that holds the crimp while you're doing the crimping. In addition to that, we've also got what's called a go-no-go gauge. So this, with these little black marks, tells you that you've made the male and the female connection correctly. We've got a spare straight connector, some spare crimps, and we have a panel or bulkhead connector, a spare one here in the kit should you need one for the job. We've also got 3 sets times 5 of keys. Now, let me just take you through this key. This particular key here is used for unlocking IET interlock connectors, and also this is for tightening up, the little spanner tool that tightens up, and the little hole there is so you can put that on your belt or on a key ring or a chain. We've also got 5 which are used for all different types of connectors, including those that are not Elmex, and also another 5 here as well that are spare that can be used just like that one as well. And then finally we've got this one, which is a bit ingenious. This is when you've got a solar connector and it's not facing you, so you can't get in with the key. This means you can enter from the side, and this allows you to then get it out from, let's say, an inverter or a combiner box. So that is our solar toolkit. If you've got any questions, then get in touch with us at elkay.co.uk on the contact us page, and me or any of my team will be very glad to take you through and give you the options, and also let you know where you can get hold of these. Cheers.